Morning, guys. Happy Monday morning to you guys. For me here, Marlon. I'm here on top of the roof right now, doing another gutter cleaning. As you can see here, there's a see here inside the pool. You can see, make a little zoom. All the gutters. Because they have a kind of like a what do you call that? Kind of like a pine tree or a pine tree. This comes all these needles, and there's a roof going through there, and this house is surrounded by gutters, so all around, and it's a very decent big house. I'm doing gutter cleaning, so good thing that the residents only want gutter cleaning inside the gutter. It's not the exterior one. So, and it's a Spanish style gutter here. And I think the roof might have a clean done again in the future. So everybody that you don't know, I do gutter cleaning too. What I do right now, I mean roof cleaning. Yes. Anyway, yep. So know what I'm good doing today, friends. So we are gonna get down to it. Got it still earlier here, so I get done earlier. So, alright, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated later on. Guys, have a blessed day.